Greetings to everyone. It is great pleasure to address you at this moment. All the Buddhists in Sri Lanka and worldwide are getting ready to celebrate Vesak, the great enlightenment of the Buddha. This is the most important event for all the Buddhists. Normally, the way we celebrated Vesak was to organizing offerings, dhansal, decorating our houses, roads and buildings, and engaging in pilgrimages, or paying more attention to practice what is taught by the Buddha. We are celebrating Vesak this time at a time the whole human race has faced a challenge. In that context, if we gather together and try to celebrate Vesak the way we used to practice, it will be a challenging for your survival and the survival and protection of all our fellow human beings. The Buddha's teaching is that the highest gain one can achieve is to have a healthy life. Arogya Paramalabha. So, our protection and the good health and the good health of the others who are living around is utmost important thing for every one of us. It is our responsibility. Therefore, this time we will celebrate Vesak, confining ourselves to our places where we live with those who are living with us, without breaking the guidance and instructions given by the health authorities. By doing so, we are protecting ourselves and protecting the fellow human beings. In Metta meditation, we develop loving kindness to ourselves and to all other living beings who are living around. By following the instructions given by the health authorities, we are developing loving kindness to ourselves and to whole human race. So let's celebrate Vesak this time, protecting, developing loving kindness to all of us. Thank you very much.